So hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel everyone, and I welcome you to the post market analysis of Nifty 50 and the Bank Nifty. So in Nifty 50 today was the last day for the trading for this week in Nifty and the Bank Nifty, and apart from that Nifty 50 has given us an indecision. A doji has been created by the Nifty 50 at the top, a candle of indecision, which is a reversal candle again made by the Nifty 50 few days ago. Also, I have told you that a reversal candle has been made and confirmation has came. But after that, today also prices went higher and again made an indecision. So definitely now we are very clear. The Monday's candle, if it happens to be the bearish candle, it has its significance because at the top, if a doji is mad at the top, and if an confirmation is coming with a bearish sign that then the prices are ready to fall. Correct? So the Monday is going to be the very important day for the Nifty 50 because a confirmation can come about the upcoming bearish trend. Okay, as you can see, this is the today's candle of the 11th June. You can see an indecision candle has been made, a doji has been made by the Nifty 50. If confirmation comes, what is the confirmation? What can be the confirmation? So there can be confirmation in which prices should close below the today's closing. If on Monday prices closes below the today's closing, then it will be a confirmation that the prices are ready to fall. The market is ready to accept a downtrend. Correct? But the thing is that if Monday's candle happens to be the red candle, then it has more bearish implication than a green candle, which gives a closing us today below today's closing. So we need a bearish candle which gives us a closing below today's doji's closing. Okay, so I hope you are now clear with the what to do Nifty 50 on the daily basis. If we check out the Nifty 50 on the weekly basis, because the weekly candle has been completed today by Nifty 50. So again, as you can see here on the Nifty 50, this candle with a long wick on the weekly basis, you can see the wick of this candle, the size of the wick of this candle. If you see the difference between the opening and closing, so the opening of this candle was 15,725 and closing is 15,799. So there is not much big difference between the opening and closing of this particular candle of this week. So difference is of almost about 74 points. But the difference between the high and the low, 15,835, and the low of 15,566 is significant. So the difference between the high and low is of almost 200 points. Correct? So wicks are twice the size of the our opening and closing difference. So again, this is an bearish candle. Again, this is a bearish candle. Definitely, if this candle happens to be a green candle, then it has more bearish implication than this green reversal pattern. But yeah, apart from that, this candle is still a reversal candle, so we can accept that if in the next week closing happens to be the below this candle's closing, then we will be bearish on the weekly basis also. So now we got what is the way to decide on the daily basis, what is the way to decide on the weekly basis. Now we are moving to the hourly basis to see what is happening in the Nifty 50. So as we can see on the hourly basis on the Nifty 50, you can see I have plotted a triangle which you can see is respected on the 15-minute chart. You can see on the 15-minute chart, obviously the downtrend line we made. The price channel we made yesterday has been broken today, but a symmetrical triangle has been made. So in a symmetrical candle's case, wherever the breakouts come, the prices follows that trend. If breakout comes on the upper side, then prices will follow an uptrend. If breakout comes on a downside, then prices will follow the downtrend. So for the 15-minute on the hourly chart, you can trade upon this strategy based upon this particular planning. And for the daily and the weekly chart, we have the plan ready. On the daily chart, I have told you when market will become bearish. If that signal, that particular candle on the Monday does not happens to be closed below the closing of today, then there will be not a price reversal, okay, in the market. But we have to wait for the Tuesday also, because confirmation can come between 2 days. Correct? So if on the Monday and the Tuesday we see that prices are not getting closed below that doji's closing, then we can accept that prices will remain at same level or might go upside. But the reversal of the prices will not be there. Okay, that's what we can expect. So this is, let me show you on the 5-minute also that how goodly this particular pattern has been respected by the prices. You can see this very good symmetrical triangle. So wherever the breakout will come, prices will follow the same trend, so you can trade accordingly. I hope you are clear with this. So now let me take you to the Bank Nifty. So what is happening in the Bank Nifty? I hope you are completely clear with the Nifty 50 thing. So here is our dear Nifty Bank, and on the Nifty Bank you can see after yesterday, today also Bank Nifty has given us a higher closing, right? But you can see this is a red candle, but this candle does not have any sort of pattern and all, but this is a red candle which has given us a higher closing, which needs to be taken as a bullish signal. But as you can see, the reversal pattern was made down there, and then again we saw some confirmation and then some price fall, and again that has been breached. Okay, so moving to the weekly charts. So looking at the weekly chart, this candle, this particular candle made by the Bank Nifty has not as such bearish meanings or any price reversal meaning, definitely, but this candle is a bearish candle on the weekly basis, and this week we have seen a lower closing. And candle previous to this, the candle made previous week was of opening 35,097 and closing was of 35,291. So good difference between the opening and closing of 200. And similarly, we have seen a difference between high and low of the almost 1,000 points. So yeah, we can consider this also as an sort of indecision, but will not be that particularly that confidence upon this indecision. And so Bank Nifty is not giving us as such a signal on the weekly basis, and on the daily basis also Bank Nifty has not given us any signal as of now to yet decide the direction. But yeah, if Nifty 50 confirms a bearish trend, then we can follow the same trend in the Nifty in the Bank Nifty also. But yeah, this candle is still valid. I can see it because prices have not crossed above this particular level. So yeah, this candle is still valid. So we can see a fall on the Monday. But for the intraday traders, if we are not able to decide the trend on the daily, on the weekly basis, then we should focus on the intraday basis, because those prices are going to get accumulated on the daily and the weekly basis. So here on the hourly basis, you can see another symmetrical triangle has been made by the Bank Nifty also. So wherever the breakout came, prices will follow the same direction. As you can see, the trend line we had marked yesterday has been breached today, but Bank Nifty has made a particular triangle, same like Nifty 50. So yeah, definitely wherever breakout will come, prices will follow that trend. So for the intraday traders, levels are very clear. Watch out for the breakout with good volumes, and then it should be a good breakout, means a good bullish or bearish candle should be made on the breakout with the good volumes. Then according to that, we can decide what to do on the intraday basis. Apart from that, on the Nifty 50, we are clear as to what is going to be the direction on the weekly and the daily basis will be confirmed on the Monday for the daily basis, and for the weekly basis next week prices will definitely confirm as to where prices are headed, correct? And on the intraday basis also, we have clear levels for the Nifty 50 and the Bank Nifty. So you have no doubts regarding that, right guys? So plan is ready. I hope you get it completely, so you will follow accordingly and you will make good profit. So thank you so much for watching this video till end, everyone. Please do like this video, share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.